Hey guys, this is Renee with Spontaneous Garden, and I garden out in my backyard in Zone 7B in Tennessee. And today's video is going to be about me trying to harvest some potatoes, and I got stuck. It started raining on me, and unexpected storm came through, and it was really bad. It knocked all my corn over, and one tree limbs, plants, just everything. So I have been cleaning up. Yesterday I just started trying to clean up stuff and pick up stuff. So today it looks like it wants to rain again. So I'm going to try to finish harvesting the potatoes. And let's get these potatoes harvested. Yes, please. We have got to harvest these potatoes. Of course, it's almost looking like a jungle out here. And I do need to get that chamomile. I tell you, it looked like it's gonna rain, but I sure hope I can beat it. Because, oh Lord, I think I hear it begin to, is it gonna sprinkle? I got to get these onions out of here so they rotten. And also too, I start pulling out this broccoli, and so I do need to finish that as well. Oh, I just got a lot of work to do. I got work to do. Okay, so I guess I'll go on. I really want to get those potatoes done though, because I got a feeling they may be mush. It's looking awfully cloudy, so we'll see. I'll just try to go ahead and at least get started somewhere. So let's just try to get these. Everything's looking so bad. It needs. We had all that rain, and now you can't even harvest in peace because you don't have. The rain won't stop. This has been an unusual amount of rain. So anyway, let me go ahead and get started. Red Northern. I've already been sneaking in these, so we'll see. It's still so. Alright, I guess you can see that. I only see one so far. That might be all that's in there too, because like I said, I've been sneaking in that one. A little bit of them is probably. Red Northern. Actually, just one in there. I have been coming out here getting stuff out of that one. So I'm really not too surprised that that's in there. I hope y'all can't hear people next door because they are real loud over there. Oh shucks, they sure did. That's mush right here. Too much rain. That's mush. All of that's mushy. Oh well. There's wonders. Okay. I hope I can at least get a couple out of it. There's two. I think these are which ones is it? These might be the Yukon Gold thing here. It's been so much rain. That nice size one was what another one smashed up. Not many out of that one.
You need to hurry up.
Yeah, I see.
The storm is getting too close, and it's gonna be bad. We have to let this go, so this stuff is coming.
Potatoes been, I had taken some out of some of these. These are the red. Ooh, this one looks mushy too. All that rain, a lot of them didn't. It got too mushy.
Okay, I get that, but this is a very serious storm.
I'm
So,
coming.
anything we need to lock down?
Um,
Well, I mean, we really ain't got, they ain't got nothing to
no,
lock
cause
down, nothing with. That's just all there is to it.
all my potatoes done turned to mush.
Yeah, I haven't seen anything look this bad. This could bring a tornado out of it starting to spring.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Well, it's raining, so.
You want me to take this tripod
I have it on, baby. Well, my husband is saying I need to come in now, so I will pick this up later. It does look like it's getting ready to start. Alrighty. Well, the corn is down. Storm that just came through. Oh well. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? Try to bring it back up, I guess. I'm gonna have to have some more soil or something, I guess. I don't know. Okay, there's one up. If it'll stay up, I don't know. I guess we just try and see if they will stay up. I guess that's what I'm supposed to do. I don't know. Just try it and see, I guess. I'd have to get in there and do that. I don't feel like doing that right now. Oh, Lord. But I guess I better. Alrighty. I guess I better deal with this corn. Okay. Tried to do the potatoes, got rained out. Sun is going down. Didn't get to finish my broccoli. Do that in the morning. All my seedlings are over here soaking. I have got to get these rest of these seedlings in the ground. That's why I was taking that. These fell over, and they in here soaking. I'm gonna have to empty that out. So, alrighty. Oh, it looked like part of that tree came down. Ooh, which is wonderful because I wanted that off of there. So that's good. Tree down right there. If you can see that, I don't know. Perfect. That needed to come down. Okay, clean up after the rain. Look like some of my green beans, those asparagus green beans, some of those are down too. So I got a lot of work to do tomorrow. This one fell over as well. Let's see if we can get, oh shoot, there's a whole bunch of stuff down. All of this is down. Oh, I'm gonna have to get my husband to come out here and help me. Alrighty. What other damage is there? Ooh. Oh, look like my leeks are down over there too. And tomato plants done fell over. That was a pretty big storm that came through here. Knocked a lot of stuff over on the deck, on the patio too. Alrighty, knocked my tree over down there too. Alrighty, let me get to working. Today's harvest. Plenty of squash. Actually, I let these squashes get too big. I don't like them when they get super big like this. But oh well. Should have got them off yesterday, I guess. Of course, we have more broccoli. Now this is how I like mine. It's like this, or mainly like this. That looks almost kind of green looking now. But I like them small like that. Tons of cucumbers. Whole bit thing for, and one little cherry tomato. Yes. Beautiful harvest. Another harvest. This is cabbage, onions, and tomatoes. I gotta figure out what the name of these tomatoes are. But I probably would be stir frying this cabbage with these onions and doing a little small squash casserole. Nothing big. That's from yesterday's harvest combined with today's. Just went ahead and cleaned up the cabbage. Of course, most of it was ate up, but this is enough for supper. Yay, good for me. And I also went ahead and cleaned out the broccoli bed that I had, and then and I got some stuff. I did get some stuff planted in that, but I didn't film it, so I will be showing you that today. And I worked on the corn patch, which it was just all of it fell over, and had onions to follow everything. The wind was just fiercely. It came up on a big storm, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The birds are chirping really loud this morning, so I'm gonna try to beat the rain today and finish the harvest of the potatoes, and I will show you guys the corn patch that I tried to get it back in some kind of shape. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay. This is the corn patch that blew over. Some of them are still down. I tried to get up as many as possible and got some of them up, but I'm just gonna rely on God and just Mother Nature to try to keep them up. Now it looks like it may be going to storm again today, so I will be I'm gonna try to get up under here where you can see exactly what's going on. Some of them I did get straightened back up, but it's some over there in the middle that was hard for me to reach. Was really hard to get to those, but I tried to do the best that I could with it. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Oh, those are still down. I've been trying to get them up. I put some more mulch up under there to try to heal them up some, but I just really wanted to let you see how this right here is going. And but right now I just want to go ahead and get those potatoes out of there, because it looks like it's getting ready to rain again. And while I'm over here, I'll just go ahead and show you the broccoli bed that I got out. And these peppers are looking bad. I had moved some of these because they wasn't getting enough sun where I had them, and it just looked like it's not doing any good. So hopefully this rain today, and then those 2 tomato plants there seedlings that I had, still have some more that I need to get in the ground. I'm gonna probably try to harvest one of these cabbages today. And you know, the onions are I don't know what to say about the onions. I'll get to them when I can. Hopefully they don't be mushed up, but I have got to find some time to get out here and straighten up the Oh look, this sunflower was getting ready to open. Well, it may be a minute, but yeah, it's got some little buds on it. But yeah, I need to get these onions. And these tomato plants are out of control, so I want to try to get to these too. And yeah, so my next thing to do is to get out here and deal with the tomatoes. But right now, my main goal is to try to get the rest of these potatoes done. And let me see how many pots I have left. I think I only got to 2 of them. So I need to get this one. What I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got 7 that I need to get out of these pots today. So I'm gonna go ahead, get set up, and get this done. This one's mushy. Got to put these in something. These are really small. Don't look like it's gonna, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. But I've been getting a lot of little bitty ones. Actually, they've been falling through. Well, it's raining again. I just cannot get this done. Dang. Well, so much for my potatoes again. I can't believe this.